How to log in to Southwest Airlines. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Southwest Airlines and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, southwest.com. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the account number or the username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password or username, you can click on these options given over here to recover it. After you fill this, if you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Enroll Now and go through the process. After you provide all the details, click on the option of Login, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Southwest Airlines. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.